Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. Am I audible? Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So please rename somebody Samsung users. I can identify the person. This is an interactive session only. So good evening to everybody once again. And so most of you know, I think, know me. Most of you, some of you were my students. Now, actually, I should use past. You had been my students. So I request everyone to switch on your video so that we can have a proper interaction.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening. Yes, you can unmute and you can speak, no problem. And make sure that the surrounding noise doesn't disturb you. Still some are coming, already 15 members. So we'll wait for another 2 to 3 minutes. So once again, I request everyone to switch on your video so that we can have, see when you talk to somebody, if you see the face and if you see the person, the interaction will be very easy and it becomes very effective as well. So we'll wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Let others also join. I don't know how many are going to join. Then I'll give you introduction regarding this class and all. So please wait until then. I think my voice is audible to everybody. Yes, am I clear? Yes, no disturbance.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. So let us wait for another 1 or 2 minutes. Maybe some more people may join. So till then we'll wait and be patient. We'll start then. Yes, because once we started, the others may miss the introduction and everything. Yes. Yes, I switched off because I was simply adjusting here. That's why. Yes. Okay. So now we will go for a small introduction. Yes. So most of you and some of you are. I taught to almost all of you. I taught directly or indirectly. You were my students, so you know me very well. Still, I just say, so I'm Sujay Kumar, and I've been basically I'm an English teacher, and I've been in the field for last 24 years. This is my 25th year. Like since 1997, I've been to the field actually. So recently, I have shifted to Andhra Pradesh. The name of the place is Nandigama. So here I'm working as a principal of a school, as well as I. Yes, there was a small disturbance. Some call or something came, so no problem. So I impart. Yes, am I audible to everybody? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in case anything, almost everybody is familiar with online classes. So now what we use is Zoom only. So we are all, most of you are familiar with the Zoom, MS Teams, as well as most and Google Meet and all. So when in case any disturbance comes, please wait for 1 or 2 minutes. We'll get reconnected. Okay, yes, no problem. Right, and make sure that every one of you, unless you speak, you don't switch on your. Do not unmute yourself. Okay, when you want to speak, you can unmute. Yes. Otherwise, you just keep it. Yes. Here, Bhavani, somebody is a Bhavani. Please mute yourself, Bhavani. Okay, please keep yourself mute, and so that we can. Okay. Right. So I have been teaching English for high school students as well as college students also, and this is so every summer I conduct classes, and this is one such class actually. So this is only one in demo class only. So afterwards, it will be a paid class actually. So how much is the fee? What I am going to teach you here, and what is the present standard? Everything we'll discuss now. And this we have 3 modules. One is only spoken English. So another module is okay. So it is only network problem is the issue is there. That's why it's getting connected. So I repeat it. One syllabus is only spoken. Second module is grammar. Third module is spoken with grammar. Okay, it will be useful for, so depending upon the class, I will design it. So that we'll discuss later. And most of you might have studied throughout in English medium only. Still, but what I say is, most of you or us or most of the people are not good at speaking properly. Means we speak, but around 80 to 90% are wrong. So when you speak to people, because as being a trainer and teacher, I know many people do not speak proper English. Not pronunciation I'm thinking about, I'm just talking. So most of the people, when they speak broken English. Do you agree or not? Yes, you can start interactions. Broken English. Yes. You can start interacting, you can start speaking. Broken. It's not spoken, it's broken actually. Here what we say is in our training, in my training, maybe you can opt it either 1 month or 45 days, 50 days, 60 days. It goes on like that. Yes. So we'll be teaching you how to. One second, somebody's waiting. Somebody's waiting there. Let me see. Okay. Yes. So I gave around 10 sentences in the group. How many of you observed it? How many of you observed? Please go for a raise arm option in the group, in the Speakwell English Academy group. Yes, I've given. You can speak. Otherwise, you can raise arm option also can go. How many of you have seen? Yes, I gave. Yes. Okay. What was the first sentence? Can anyone tell me? First sentence. It was given in all sentences were given in Telugu. Yes. Yes. Sai Kiran has seen. Yes. Okay.
Sir.
Vinil, did you see? Okay. Vinil. Observe.
Sir, Udayam నుండి మీకోసం ఎదురు చూస్తున్నారు.
Okay, right. That is the first sentence, right? Okay, and Sai Kiran, he has given me all answers he has sent. Some of you also sent. I didn't see actually, and I'll go through later. No problem. Yes. So I request everyone to switch on the video so that we can see who are attending my classes. We will have interactions. Yes. Now I ask everyone to introduce yourself. Okay. Anyone can start. Just your name and what are you doing now, which school and what classes, your college or something. Some of you are in colleges also, one or two students. We can start speaking. Please, while at least speaking, you have to, if you keep on switching also, no problem. But at least while speaking, you have to switch on your videos. Yes. So we will start with the Sai Kiran. Okay. He's one of my old students. Please start, Sai Kiran. Yes.
Sir,
Introduce yourself.
I'm Zaidan and I'm studying in Little Flower Junior College in Uppal.
Okay. So how many years I taught you? How many years you have been my student? Previously, I taught you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 3 years.
Yes, sir. I studied with you in since 5 years.
5 years. 4 or 5 years. Okay. Very good. Very good. Right. So what is your intention to join this class? What is the aim? What goal? So you showed interest in everything and you just send all the answers also. You have been actively participating.
Sir, I want to learn spoken English, good spoken English.
Okay. Yes. So you feel that you are not perfect in spoken. Yes, that's the intention. That's the goal. That's
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. Very good. Thank you. So welcome to the class. And remaining, what are the next class? Tomorrow also we'll continue the classes. This is only demo only. We'll discuss about the fee payment on the durations, modules, everything. And every day some activities also will be given. Every day there will be activity, oral as well as written also. It's mainly for spoken and grammar as well. So you can select it. According to that, we'll discuss. Okay, next we can anybody. Vinil, you can start. He was also. But I didn't teach him directly, but yes, please, Vinil, you can start. You can introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Vinil. My 10th is completed. So I want to do Polytechnic.
Very good. Yes.
Polytechnic.
Oh.
So I spend most of the day with spiritual science and doing meditation. So with that, I'm preparing for my exam, Polytechnic exam.
Okay.
As well as my cousin said that in Polytechnic exam there was a difficulty in maths for BTech. So with that, I also want to learn maths of intermediate. So my brother said he will teach.
Okay.
So in this way, I'm spending the day.
Okay. So what is your intention to join this class? Means what prompted you? What is your aim, especially?
So to say correctly, so when you message that there was a demo class,
yes.
I messaged yes.
Okay.
But after that, I realized that I don't have sufficient time to spend the time for the English to learn English.
Okay.
So because I said I will come, that's why I attended, sir.
Okay, you can continue. You can. We will. It will be in your within your time limits only, because we will change the time. Every day is not 6 to 7. Every day it won't be 6 to 7.
Not like that, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you can continue, and if you are interested, you can continue the class. No problem. Right. Welcome to the class. Yes. Next, Sudhir, you can introduce yourself. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
I'm Sudhir. I have completed my 10th class, and as a part of my routine daily, I am in the search of to select a suitable course based on my capability. That means indirectly, I want to select a course which is suitable to me for my 11th and 12th classes.
Okay.
So this is a part of my day, and my intention to join this class is when I saw your message, Sujay sir, I'm so excited to, that is, I'm going to improve my English fluency.
Sure.
Okay. And as we all know, it's a global language, so it's really important to improve this communication. So this is my intention.
Okay, very good. Welcome to the class.
Thank
Of course, we will be discussing many things. So many people think that studying in English medium is only the criteria, but many things that you do not know or you haven't been taught in schools and colleges will be taught here. There are many things. That's once you start the classes, we will know that. And in our class, there is no necessity of number of people. Even I take some people with the morning, 2 people attending classes, my classes, morning 7 to 8 o'clock. So, and I am also attending some classes. I am attending some Gita classes, 6 to 7 o'clock. Gita ISKCON's classes are going on. I am attending. So I too attend some classes. I am a learner as well and teach also. So sometimes suppose there are only 2 members in a class or 1 member. Also I take the classes. Doesn't matter actually. Okay. So that we'll discuss later about what are the timings, fee structure, what modules we'll discuss, and you will surely after you see minimum is 30 days or 45 days classes are there. Among those 45 days classes, after the 45 days class, if you want, you will feel, you will understand, you will realize that what are the errors you have been making all these days, as well as what things you have learned, what change has come to your language, okay, regarding pronunciations. Because in school days, you know that schools and colleges, they do not stress all these things. Only we just go for covering syllabus. Syllabus is covered, that's all. So you know very well, I don't want to say it, yes. So next we go for another, somebody else, anybody can. So these 3 members I know, that's why I asked them to introduce, and they are all my students, and some are their students. You can please, you can introduce yourself one by one. You can unmute and introduce, please. Yes. And those who are speaking, please switch on your video also. Yes. Please continue. Yes.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening. Meghana, please. Good evening.
I am Meghna from Vishnu Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research,
Yes,
B
you are
Pharmacy first year.
First year. Okay. You are my student. Yes.
Yes.
Which batch
Yes,
yours?
yeah.
A1 or A2? A1 or
Mine
A2?
lab wise or class wise, sir?
Okay, whatever it is.
Actually,
uh,
A2, sir. A2.
A2. Okay, very good. Yes. Please continue. Continue. Please introduce yourself.
Yeah. Yeah, sir. So when first I thought about learning English,
Okay.
I thought I'll go with the pronunciation
Sure.
because the job interviews and all will be facing difficulties, right?
Right.
And also interview skills, because it will be useful in very few years for me for attending job interviews. So I thought it would be a better option. So I want to have a demo look of this English spoken session today.
Sure.
So I
Okay.
attended it.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
So today I may not be able to give you much, but after in tomorrow and after tomorrow I'll be giving you 1 or 2 classes. In that class also you can get an idea about what I'm going to teach and what you want to learn, and especially what I teach is what you want. What you want will be taught. That's it. That's the main thing. Okay. Yes. Welcome to the class,
Okay,
Meghana.
sure. Thank
Tomorrow
you.
also we'll have a class.
Yes.
It will be also regarded as a demo only. And what are your requirements? If you just send me a message and all, I'll interact with you in the class group, in the Speakable group. Then we will finalize it. We will finalize the schedule. We'll finalize the time. We'll finalize the structure. We'll finalize the module. We'll finalize the fee as well. Okay. Right. Next, somebody else.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as I told earlier, 1%, 2% also I take classes.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, please. Rashmika, please. Yes. Yes.
Good evening, everyone. This is Rashmika, studying in 8th class. I'm from Vishnu High School. I wish to learn fluent English and I want to polish my English. I
Very
have
good.
joined in this group. Thank you, sir,
Yes.
for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah, surely you will all students, everybody, 8th class student or intermediate student, college students, pharmacy, all these people, everybody, whatever modules are suited, means what you want will be taught in the classes. Okay. And we will have a lot of activities as well. Okay, today's class anyhow we may not be able to do more activities. One by one we'll introduce. So another 2 more days I'll take the demo class. 2 more days I'll take them. Today's one small class, introduction class only. In that in these 3 classes you will decide whether to continue or not. Okay, that depends on interest and as well as how much you want. You see now Meghana has spoken. Meghana, she has been, I taught her 1 year. And they realized that what is actually after completion of, so after 3 years, she'll be completing her B Pharmacy. Yes, now first year completed. So what happens after completion of intermediate or else degree, they go for interview. Then their English is very important. Pronunciation counts, vocabulary counts, the way you speak counts. So now itself, if you start, my suggestion is if you start now itself, if you spend some time, if you have it's good basics and everything, you can from that basics you can just climb up. You can just go forward. The basics I will give. You may many of you may think that what can be taught. Many things can be taught. There are many modules are there. Many things are there that were not taught in schools and colleges, etc. Not part of syllabus at all. Yes, and here you will, as Rashmika told, here your already existing standard, it will be polished. It will be polished. It will be refined. You will be your pronunciation, your vocabulary. That all I'll help you. Yes. Now we go for another. Yes, Meghana, Nikhila Reddy. Somebody is there. I don't know actually. Maybe a new person. Please come. Nikhila Reddy, you can go for introduction. Yes.
So very good evening, sir.
Good. Please switch on your video. We can have a facial, contact also. It will be very effective. Yes, Nikhila, please carry on. Yes, you can continue, Nikhila. Yes, please. Welcome to the class.
Very good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yes.
Sir, I'm B Pharmacy first year student from Vishnu College.
Okay. Yes.
So you have taught us for 1 year.
Sure. Thank you. Yes. Please continue. Yes.
So I want to increase my fluency in English, and I know that my vocabulary is not that good.
Okay.
So I need to increase my fluency. I know about your teaching. So I need to join. So I want to have a look about this demo first. So I joined. Now, sir.
Sure. Welcome, Nikhila Reddy. So almost everybody is my student. Maybe school or past and present students only. Very good. So as you told Nikhila, we will be giving you. And today I cannot give everything, but within 1 or 2 days. I mean tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I'll conduct some 2 more demo classes. There I will be showing you some of the bits, what I'm going to teach. Not everything, some of the bits. Means what we will be getting. Okay, right.
Okay, so thank you.
Class. Yes. Next we go for Mavivya. Somebody is there, please. You can unmute and speak. Mavia is there. Yes, Mavia, please. Mavia, you can speak. You can speak and start speaking. Mavia, please. So am I audible to everybody? I think yes. Am I audible? Yes.
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Yes. So Mavia, I don't know, a new person only. I'm not familiar with. Please, if he or she, I think she. Please start speaking and okay. Next we have here Raju. Yes. Raju, Mr. Raju, you can start speaking. You can unmute yourself and speak. Okay, Raju left, I think. So some people I told they have some inhibition. Inhibition means shyness. So the shyness also, here there are some activities we conduct in the class. That's why I asked you to introduce yourself. Next day you will be introducing your friend. Another day you will introduce your mother or father. So how to introduce? This is also part actually. How to introduce. While introducing, how to start, how to go on, how to end it. These are also skills only. Right. Mavia is, are you ready? Mavia, please. Right. Okay, not there. Right. So anyhow, what are the structures? I mean, what kind of things I'm going to teach you? I will give you a small introduction for that one. Orally, I'll give you today. I'm not going to show you anything. Basically, first thing is, what are the expressions you are using? Today, I gave 10 sentences. Actually, they are all present perfect progressive if you go for grammar. But here, strict grammar is not necessary for spoken. Okay. Directly, for example, whatever things you are speaking in your mother tongue, you should be able to speak in English. That's the first attempt. Okay. May I give one small sentence, small as an activity? Ready, everybody? Yes. Only 7 members are there, right? Yeah, shall we go? Yes. Don't worry. Don't hesitate. You make mistake. You make mistakes. Even I am not perfect. So I'm just a senior learner. That's why I'm also still learner. Every day I read books and attend class and everything. So don't feel shy. First thing, don't feel shy. Make mistakes. Make mistakes, and you learn from the mistake. That's if you make mistake only, if you speak only, you can understand whether it is right or wrong. Yes, you have to put it in written. Otherwise, you have to put it in spoken. Then somebody can ask, tell you, yes, help you, yes, this is right or wrong. May I give one small sentence? So as a first part is, whatever the expressions we speak in our mother tongue. So almost all of you are Telugu speaking people only. Yes. So
Yes, sir.
I will give you one small sentence in Telugu, and you just try whether you are able to translate it into English, mean whether you are able to express in English. Am I right? Okay. So what you can do is you can write in the chat box. That's better, I think. Okay, then we'll go with this. Means I'll give one small sentence in Telugu and try to translate it into English in the chat box. So in the chat box, when you go, don't go for option everyone. You go for my name is there now. You select and chat there. So individually you can select. Understood? Others will not see your answers. Are you ready? Yes. Right. Those are ready. You show me the thumbs
Yes,
up. Both
sir.
thumbs up directly. Not there. Here. Yes, directly. That's why I told you to. No. Open the video. Video means you can see. Yes. Very good. Vinil has shown. Sai Kiran. Yes. If you open the video, I can understand how energetic you are. Yes. Very good. Meghana. Yes. Right. Right. Okay. So if this session 40 minutes only, if the session ends directly, you just please rejoin. Another 10 more minutes will take. Okay. Right. The sentence is, okay, ready? If you want, you can write there somewhere. If you have a book or something, you can write there and you can translate. Yes. The sentence is, Nenu, please write down there, or you can keep in your brain. Nenu. Sweets. Sweets tells kada. Sweets. Sweets. And the padartha. Sweets tinakonda undalenu. I will repeat the sentence. Nenu. And meer cheptunnaramata. Nenu sweets తినకుండా ఉండలేను. నేను స్వీట్స్ తినకుండా ఉండలేను. ఈ ఒక సెంటెన్స్ మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్లో ట్రాన్స్లేట్ చేయాలి. సో యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ద చాట్ బాక్స్, బట్ డోంట్ గో ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ ఆప్షన్. యూ గో ఫర్ ఓన్లీ మై సింగిల్ ఆప్షన్. ఓకే, మై నేమ్. ఇఫ్ యూ సెలెక్ట్, యూ కెన్ చాట్ దట్. Personally, you can chat. Okay, right? But do you want me to repeat? Did you understand the sentence? Yes. Nenu. Yes. Can somebody repeat the sentence? Vinil, can you repeat the sentence? What I told. Telugulo nu chepte inka baagundi. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Nenu
స్వీట్లు తినకుండా ఉండలేను.
Okay, very good. Because my pronunciation will be different. Your mother tongue, no? I learned it. So yeah, right. Very good. Please. Okay, ready? Did you translate in your mind? Yes. Okay. So how it will be? Okay. Nikhila Reddy has given. Okay, Rahul has given. Okay, very good. Very good attempt. Very good. Very good. Yes. Meghana has given. Very good. I'll tell you whether it is right or wrong. I'll tell last only. Okay. But last I'll tell. I mean, everybody attempts. Meghana has given. Next. Yes, please. Only 4 answers I got so far. Vinil has also very good. Very good attempt. Yes. Vinil, very good attempt. Very good. Keep it up. Yes. Next. Personally, to me, you send. Don't send to everyone. Okay. Yes. Okay. Very good. Sai Kiran has sent. Very good. Very good attempt. Yes. I appreciate. Everybody is a good active participants. Yes. I did not expect this many participants. Simply, very good. Yes. Sudhir has given. Yes. Very good. Yes. Anybody else? I think almost everybody gave. I think. Right. Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So I will tell you that answer, actual expression. Then you will decide. You will decide whether your answers were right or wrong. Shall we start? Yes. And ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇచ్చినటువంటి సెంటెన్స్ ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి number of many Sai Kiran knows that he studied in Little Falls School where I worked next to principal there. And I taught there 5 years. So we used to conduct number of classes. So he knows how much things I give, how much stuff I give in the class. Okay. So later he will share those memories. So here there are many expressions like this, right? Yes. May I give that one? Yes, that sentence. Yes. This is one of the beautiful sentences, and it has got one structure also. A structure కూడా మీకు ఇస్తాను ఈరోజు. ఇప్పుడు నేను I will give you. అది వాడి మీరు చాలా మంది బెట్ వేసి ఇప్పుడు ఈ సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పగలుగుతావా? రూపాయలు అంటే 100 రూపాయలు తీసుకోవడానికి కాదు, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్, యూ కెన్ గో ఫర్ ఏ toffee, or you can go for a sweet or something. Okay, you can simply challenge. Okay, such structures, beautiful structures. నేను స్వీట్స్ తినకుండా ఉండలేను. ఇంకొకటి చెప్తాను, నేను సినిమా చూడకుండా ఉండలేను. కొంతమంది ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఎలా తయారంటే వాళ్ళు పబ్జీ ఆడకుండా ఉండలేరు, అంటే 24 గంటలు పబ్జీ ఆడుతూ ఉంటారు. ఎస్, వినీల్ లాంటి వాళ్ళు, వినీల్ హ్యావ్ సీన్ దట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ట్రైనింగ్ అండ్ ఈజ్ టీచింగ్ ఆల్సో మెడిటేషన్, ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వెరీ గుడ్. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఐ డూ మెడిటేషన్ ఎవ్రీ డే. So it's like good things. Yes, we should have. So alanti expression elagi cheppali. Okay, the session is going to end. 5 minutes are left. If it ending, please rejoin once. Rejoin the same link only, and we'll continue another 5-10 minutes. No, I won't take not more than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, 10 more minutes. Yes, some more things I would like to discuss. Yes, ade cheppana. Yes. Okay, ready? Curious? Ready? A very beautiful expression actually. Even ఈవెన్ స్కూల్స్లో కానీ కాలేజ్లో కానీ ఎవరు మాట్లాడరు, అంటే తెలియదు అన్నట్లేదు, వాడరు. మేబీ మే నాట్ నో, అంతమంది వాడరు చాలామంది. చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్. ఎస్, నేను స్వీట్స్ తినకుండా ఉండలేను, లేదా నేను బయటికి వెళ్ళకుండా ఉండలేను. ఇప్పుడు బయటికి వెళ్తే పోలీసు వాళ్ళు కొడతారు, ఎందుకంటే లాక్డౌన్. ఎస్, అప్పుడు బయటికి వెళ్తే ఏం చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు కూడా, నేను మిమ్మల్ని కొట్టకుండా ఉండలేరు అట్లా అంటారు వాళ్ళు. ఎస్, ఓకే, పోలీస్. సో ద ఆన్సర్ ఈస్, మీరు వాళ్ళు రాసుకోవచ్చు. మే ఐ షేర్ ఇట్ త్రూ ది షేర్ స్క్రీన్? ఓకే, ఐ విల్ షేర్. ఎస్, రైట్, ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్, వైట్ బోర్డ్. ఓకే, రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్. Anyhow, 5-6 members are there. They are very good participants, active participants. Very good, I congratulate you. Yes, నేను ఇక్కడ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఎస్, ఎస్, రాసుకోండి. ఐ కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ఈటింగ్ స్వీట్స్. దీని స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా ఇస్తాను. మే ఐ గివ్ ద స్ట్రక్చర్ ప్లీజ్? ఇది ఎప్పుడైనా వాడచ్చు. మే ఐ గివ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్, ఓకే, సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ కాంట్. అపోస్ట్రఫీ ఇస్ దేర్, సంబడీస్ మైక్ ఇస్ డిస్టర్బింగ్ మీ. కాంట్ హెల్ప్, ఇక్కడ వరకు సేమే. సబ్జెక్ట్ మీరు ఏదైనా వాడచ్చు. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్ యూ కెన్ యూజ్ ఐ, వి, యూ, దే, హీ, షీ, ఎనీ కెన్ యూ కెన్. ఓకే, కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ఈస్ ఓకే. కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ఇప్పుడు మీ ఆన్సర్తో మీరు కంపేర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ప్లస్ V1. V1 అంటే తెలుసు కదా, V1 ప్లస్ ING అంతే. ఎస్, మీతో అన్ని మనకి ఈజీ. ఎస్, ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఈజీ అయిందా? ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ రాసుకోండి. అక్కడ రాసుకొని యూ కెన్ రైట్ ద తెలుగు ఈక్వల్ ఆర్స్. తెలుగులో ఏం రాస్తారో, ఒక పని చేయకుండా ఉండలేను అన్నప్పుడు ఈ స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏంటి? అక్కడ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ప్లస్ ప్రజెంట్ పార్టిసిపుల్, V1 ప్లస్ ING. ఆ V1 ప్లస్ ING మీరు ఏమనొచ్చు అంటే డూయింగ్ అనొచ్చు. ఐ విల్ రైట్ ఇన్ సింపుల్ మేనర్. మే గివ్ ఇట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లస్ కాంట్, సారీ, ఇట్స్ ఎ మిస్టేక్, కాంట్ హెల్ప్. ఇఫ్ ద సెషన్ ఎండ్స్ యూ హావ్ టు రీజాయిన్ ప్లీజ్. కాంట్ హెల్ప్, వెరీ గుడ్. కాంట్ హెల్ప్ ప్లస్ డూయింగ్. అంటే డూయింగ్ అంటే యూ కెన్ యూస్ ఎనీ వర్బ్. ఏది ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏంటి వర్బ్? ఏంటి? తినడం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద వర్బ్? ఈట్. వాట్ ఈస్ డూయింగ్ ఫార్మ్? ఈటింగ్. మీతో అన్ని సేమే కదా. ఇక్కడ ఏం మార్చుకోవాలి ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రక్చర్లో? ఈజీ. సబ్జెక్ట్ మార్చుకోవాలి సందర్భం బట్టి. ఈ V1 కానీ V1 ప్లస్ ING మార్చుకోవాలి. ఇలాంటి నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఆర్ in our course, around 45 days course is there, 50 days course or 1 month course. You will learn like this number of structures, minimum 100 to 500 structures you will learn, and you will become perfect. When you speak, people cannot find that you are making a wrong expression. Okay, ఇప్పుడు మీ ఆన్సర్స్ మీరు కంపేర్ చేయండి. ఎనీబడి గాట్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్? టెల్ మీ. వచ్చిందా? అంటే యూ హ్యావ్ డన్ వెల్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇట్స్ నాట్ యువర్ ఫాల్ట్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ఫాల్ట్, యూ కెన్ సే యూ హ్యావ్ నెవర్ కమ్ అక్రాస్, దట్స్ ఆల్. ఇంతకుముందు మీకు తెలియదు అంతే. ఎస్, నౌ టుడే ఆన్వర్డ్స్ ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి ఆస్క్స్ యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ సే ఎస్. ఇంకొక సెంటెన్స్ ఏమైనా? ఎస్, మే ఐ గివ్ వన్ మోర్ సెంటెన్స్ ఇన్ తెలుగు? ఎస్, నౌ ఐ థింక్ యూ విల్ ఫ్రేమ్ కరెక్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ బికాస్ యూ నో ద స్ట్రక్చర్. ఇలాగ మనకి మంచి బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, ఆ స్ట్రక్చర్స్ మీరు వాడచ్చు. ఓకే, సో 1 second, I will give one more sentence. Yes, meanwhile I will end and we will again rejoin. I'll end and rejoin. Okay, the session I'll end here and we'll rejoin. Okay, please immediately rejoin. Yes, another 5-10 minutes will take, then we'll end it up. Now I'm ending it, please rejoin.